Welcome to HNL Tutors. We're excited to have you here as we dive into the fascinating world of language techniques. Keep practicing and stay curious. Today, we'll explore 12 language techniques. However, we'll focus on 9, as imagery is divided into 4 parts. We'll also analyze the language of a text. Here are the language techniques we'll be using: alliteration, simile, metaphor, oxymoron, onomatopoeia, hyperbole, personification, and various forms of imagery including auditory, visual, and tactile. And let's read the text and analyze it deeply. We'll state how each technique works, explain its effect, zoom in on phrases, and analyze specific words to understand their connotations. These are the words you can use to describe feelings, imagination, and thoughts. Using precise language helps make your writing more effective and understandable. Now, let's read the text together and see how these techniques are applied in practice. Here's a sample text titled, "The Stormy Night." Notice the use of alliteration, simile, metaphor, and oxymoron to create vivid imagery and convey the atmosphere. The text continues with onomatopoeia, hyperbole, personification, and various forms of imagery, enhancing the sensory experience and emotional impact. Let's discuss some questions to analyze the text. How does the author use language to convey the weather's experience? Identify techniques, explain effects, and evaluate the imagery. Here's a possible answer focusing on personification. The author uses it to describe the storm, giving it human qualities and making the scene more vivid and intense. This sample answer highlights how personification creates a vivid, intense image of the storm, making it seem alive and threatening and enhancing the overall atmosphere. A complete answer includes multiple techniques, such as simile, metaphor, and imagery, to portray the storm as violent and overwhelming, affecting both the environment and characters. This answer scored 8 out of 8 because it effectively used various techniques to convey the storm's intensity, embedded quotes, and provided a sophisticated analysis. Here's a further explanation with a key for the full answer. It breaks down how each technique contributes to the vivid, relentless portrayal of the storm.